they giving me a tour. The tour person is so cute. Like, let me just say that. So cute. But do y'all see this? I can definitely see us here, y'all. I think I'm gonna come down here and talk to y'all after I get done working out and stuff. And then this must be where the sauna is. The showers. Oh, yeah, I think I'm definitely making the switch. Bye, Planet Fitness. Your hair is pretty. You've been here all day doing it?
No, I was gonna for a few hours.
Oh, okay. That's it. Okay, y'all. I just went ahead and just became a member because I was like, I'm gonna do it now or it's never gonna be done. And he was kind of cute, so he kind of convinced me. So, but that was time for another day. But yeah, you know, his name was Genesis. First book in the Bible. It's like, if that wasn't a sign from God, I don't know what was. So yeah, we're here. And be prepared to see a lot of vlogs and content. Because we're gonna eat from here on out. So it was just so hard to say no. But I'm glad I joined. I got the shoes on. You know, we fitted up. We finna go play some volleyball. I just feel like I'm getting back into my old ways. And I love that for me. I really do love that for me. So, we're gonna take the stairs. And Asaya, dare I say, is back in my fitness bag, okay? This is a good look for me. Super good look for me. Super happy. And yeah, this ass gonna get fat, so high talks. Yeah. Super excited. Yeah, and why he was like tight flirting with me. Okay, no makeup really gets you up. But yeah, he was asking me, was I gonna change? Like, fit kind of hard. We going all black. I like this aesthetic. And see, we took the stairs instead of elevator. So boom, we're growing. I play volleyball. Get a little bit of my confidence back. I'm nervous, but I feel like I got it. I got it. So we're gonna do it. Hopefully, Asaya, kill, boom, gra, boom, comes out. I call myself playing volleyball, G. Oh my gosh. I need to go get new pants. Hold on. This has got to be the most stressful thing to society. Thinking you finna shop at Aldi's and you don't have a quarter. Look at me. Someone just gave me their card. Oh my gosh. This gives me a rush.
So after I left the gym, I just decided to pick up some groceries, especially that vitamin C. Because we in the colder winter season, winter arc, we are prioritizing health and wellness. Because not only are we supposed to be taking care of our bodies with movement, we always need to pay attention to what we're putting into our bodies. Because our bodies are a temple and it needs fuel. I know it's going to be easy to shack up and just fill your body with nothing but junk food, Casamigos, and cut waters. But make sure you're actually hydrating. Make sure you're actually filling your body with water, hydrates, electrolytes, things that are actually going to nourish you and make you want to get up and be productive during this time. Because when I tell y'all, seasonal depression has been chasing me down the street. Do you see that? I almost picked up some wine, but I said, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I left because it's just time for something new. It's time to give my body the carbs, the energy that it needs to move and get things done, because I can truly have the life that I want in 2026 if I just get up and go after it. But I'm not gonna want to get up and get after it if I'm not fueling myself the right way. I got this tip from Naomi Campbell. I noticed during the pandemic that switched a lot of the way that we shop as Americans. I got so used to just door dashing, and when I checked my bank statements and seeing like where's my money going, all my money is getting ate, literally from DoorDash. Even grocery shopping I've started to do on DoorDash, and I just noticed like I would see myself picking up a lot of processed foods. But when I actually take the time to go to the store, especially Aldi's, I'm literally spending a fraction of the cost. Like all of these groceries that I got totaled out to be, I think, under $100, and I have gotten way more than this. I'm just organizing my cart right now for the aestheticness, but I've actually gotten a lot of whole foods, and I'm even more motivated to try new recipes and just work my way around the kitchen. And the meals that I actually curated taste a whole lot better than what I get off of DoorDash. And I finally found my kombucha, y'all. If y'all don't know this, on an empty stomach, if you want that tummy flat, this. And if you want that tummy real flat, get some chia seeds and some fresh water. Baby girl, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, this definitely, I want to make a series about health and wellness because I am that girl when it comes to this. And this is such my niche, and I want to be able to be here to put you guys on. Like y'all seen at the beginning of the vlog, I'm back. Oh, girl. I'm back on my fitness journey. I'm back in that one bag, and I'm here to stay. And I'm not going nowhere because your girl, like I said, I could have been way farther than I am right now in the YouTube community and just in my life, period. If I would just get over my fear of being seen, get over my slump, and a lot of that came from the food that I was eating. Just being my best self, the best possible person, woman that Asaya can be. So I'm really excited for this new journey. I just wanted to come back and say hi to y'all. I've been going for, who knows, who cares, because this might be your first time here. I just want to motivate you to just keep going and stay. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, because you don't know that much about me, but you will want to know as you keep seeing my face. This is more of a faceless vid, but trust me, my face card don't decline, especially when a girlie is done up. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm in the city right now, Chicago, and yeah, the vlog tomorrow is gonna be tea because I have some really good activities that I have planned, especially some that prioritizes health and wellness. I'm gonna be moving my body in a lot of new ways that I feel like the girlies are gonna love. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you, A-listers, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I just want to tell you,
Congratulations, it's a celebration.